Hello again, it's Pete from PBT Installations. Just to follow up the little video I did earlier about where we can help you. I thought obviously let's start with the biggest one. So our core business is heating and heat pumps, and we install heat pumps. Simple as that. We install a heat pump that can, as everybody knows, heat your property, and obviously in the UK we've got from, let's say, October until April, we've got our heating season, so we can provide a heat pump and that will do heating and it will do hot water. Our heat pumps go up to 75 degrees floor temperature, so without any backup or booster heater we can provide 55 degrees is what we generate at home, and in my house, hot water for our washing, showering, washing up, showering, everything that we need hot water for. In the meantime, alongside of that, we obviously, our heat pumps do heating. We've got underfloor heating and we've got radiators, and that's pretty much how most houses work in the UK. So simple as that. We can give you a heat pump. The most important thing about a heat pump and the heat pumps that we've selected to install is that the efficiencies will allow you to save on the running cost. Obviously they will cost money to run, but it's very important to know what you're spending on the heating and the hot water as part of your energy in the home. I am very conscious that there are multiple different products out there on the market, and whatever you choose, it's got to be the right product for yourself, whether it's bearing in mind the upfront cost, whether it's the running cost, whether it's the actual hot water temperature they generate, being heating or hot water. It's got to be the right product for the household and for the occupier of the property. So I would like to urge everybody to make sure that they look into it, and if you've got any questions, come and talk to us at PBT Installations. We are very conscious that the design of these systems is the most important thing to do. So Pete from PBT Installations, see you on the next video.